Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiryaoni and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did these Valentine's Day nails. These are very quick, very affordable, very bling, and I just love them. They might be my favorite set so far. So I'm going to show you guys how I did these. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my nails red. So I'm painting every nail except for my ring finger red. And if you guys want to know how I got this base, then check out my gel nails in under 30 minutes video, because the same way that I applied those nails is the same way that I applied these. And so I'm going in with a nude polish on my ring finger, and I'm only going halfway, and then as you guys see right now, I'm going in with the red and I'm just crisscrossing it. I'm going diagonal one way and diagonal another to make this kind of V geometric French nail. And so I do 2 coats of the red on all of my nails, and then now I'm top coating it so that we can get into the bling and get into the fun stuff. So I got this hollow powder from Born Pretty store, and they have a store on Amazon, so I was psyched for that because I got this with Prime. So I'm using my finger to put on the hollow, but then as you guys see, I went in with the applicator because it was just easier that way. I thought I would like my fingers, but the applicator worked well, and then I top coated it. So now I'm gonna go in with my gems. You guys have seen these gems in my previous videos. They have different sizes, different shapes, and they happen to have a heart one, so that kind of inspired this whole nail tutorial. And yeah, so I attached that with the gel bottle ink. It's the top coat, and that's what I'm using to apply all my gems on my nails. So the middle finger, I used that top coat, and now I'm using it for my ring finger. So I put the top coat on the entire nail, and then I'm going in with the smallest crystals. So this little pack that I have, you guys see in the upper left corner, I got it from Amazon again. It came with like a package of 3 or 4 trays like that with different types of crystals and different types of nail art. So I'm using the smallest of the gems in this particular tray to do this nail design and do this finger specifically. So I use 7 crystals for this nail, and I'm just lining the red of the French tip. And so now we're going into the full bedazzled, full crystal nail, and this took some time, you guys. So you're gonna see a whole bunch of different shots of my nail or my hand in different positions, trying to make sure that you guys can see and I can see, because it was a lot. But I'm going in with different sizes of crystals now, and I used my pencil, like my sticky pencil that I actually got from Born Pretty store, but I actually got it from the website, not from their Amazon storefront. And this really helped me kind of position everything. And again, I use a gel bottle ink top coat, gel top coat, I forget what it's called, but I use their top coat for this nail, and I'm going to use it for my thumb as well. And I'm just trying to fill in all the gaps. If you guys don't want to color your pinky red, you don't have to, but I liked that it kind of peekaboo. It was a kind of little peekaboo because you can barely see it, but in certain spots you can, and I think it ties together the nail really well. As you guys can see, it's flat, so it's like this nail's more of a coffin than like a rounded or a stiletto like my other nails, and I did that on purpose. I just wanted to try something different. So now on the last finger, we're on the thumb, and I did this little nail decal. It kind of, I don't know what it reminds me of, but I just was playing around with the different sizes of gems, and this is what I came up with, and I think it came out pretty cool. So I'm just doing alternating 1 2 1 2 1, and then I'm putting smaller gems in that one gap in the middle. and I'm putting 2 there, and then I'm putting the smallest crystal that I have been using that I use for my ring finger on my thumb. And I keep checking my nails and comparing them, because I want to make sure that they're even. I want to make sure that they looking right, and yeah, so I'm putting on these 2 smaller gems. I'm gonna compare my fingers just to make sure that it's aligned properly, and then I'm going to cure it. And so after I cured it, I decided to go in under my nails just to do this, even though my nails are red anyway, so it already shows through. But I just did a base coat, 1 coat of red, and now I'm doing the top coat. And this is what they look like after I finish curing them. And this is what the nail design looks like complete. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Peace.